Wish me luck. Trip number 8 to the Secretary of State. Trying to get a title. Absolutely ridiculous. Well, I think Clark W. Griswold said it best. Hallelujah. Holy shit. We got a title. Thank God. 8 trips later. So crazy. But yes. Yeah. We have all the paperwork. It processed. It went through. I got a temporary tag, which is good for however many days until the end of October. But yeah, historical plate on its way for the truck. The grand total was $55. Like, all that hassle. Like, I would have paid $255 just be done with it like 2 months ago. Thank God. Anyway, the saga, that saga, is over. On to the next one. So, I didn't realize the barn guys were going to be done, but there's a little car meet going on down at Haggerty Insurance's little building down the road from my house. And so we just come down here and check it out. It's going on for a couple of hours. And we just got here. Drove the little S10 down the road. It is in the middle of its fake patina paint job. So anyway, yeah, this is just getting started. So hopefully there'll be some more cool stuff rolling in soon. Selectable exhaust. Very cool. Always so cool to come in here. It's like the first engine powered vehicle is old Mercedes. I think that's a replica, but all kinds of just super rad stuff. Beautiful morning, headed to my last Haggerty Cars and Caffeine this morning because it's the Friday before Labor Day and my work schedule goes back to a normal 5-day week after this weekend. So yeah, I think they say what, sailors take warning. The sky's pretty red this morning. So I came for a little ride today. There was a little overland meetup thing in Petoskey. However, the catalytic converter in Spike is rattling so bad and getting worse by the second. So I stopped at Ben's shop and Blake's under there gonna cut the pipe open and see if we can knock the guts the rest of the way loose and get them out of there so that yeah, we can get rid of this rattling noise. Yeah. Blake's working on trying to get the oxygen sensor out because we can't get the material past the oxygen sensor coming out.
Here we are, next day over. Yeah.
out of there. It's literally it's blowing chunks. All right, first start with the fresh exhaust and the gutted restriction up front. Dude, another chunk of cat stuff just blew out. Give her the business. Yeah. Nice.
They're too toxic, need to take the new song. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I guess.
So, we had a little fun wandering around the Cars and Coffee event this morning. I finally was able to lure Whitney in by convincing her that she could get a coffee and a muffin, which, funny enough, all the times I've been here for this, I've never gone in there because I don't drink coffee. Coffee's for grown-ups and I refuse, so. But she's a coffee drinker, and so she lured me in there this morning, and they have really good muffins.
Somebody has to be the grown-up in the family.
And I had a smoothie. So, anyway, well, we're off to enjoy the rest of our Sunday.